Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it. Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. Jaja sees, Jaja knows my people. Some people, boy. Oh no, you slap a connect my people out of my Chete. I'm not telling you about no look of my Chete. I'm talking one big old one, my people. Well, in this video, my people, can't show clearly. I don't know what the guidelines go on the tube, so follow the Instagram NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. DM me, then I will forward the video to you. If you don't follow, video can't forward. So make sure you follow the Instagram NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss, and the video will forward DM. You understand, my people? So, old boy they on the ground, my people. Young boy over old boy with big old machete in the hand. Old boy grows to them they on the ground, scatter up my people. But one thing me have to say, young boy I put a machete upon him. Oh my burlo, my precious NEWLINK. So whether this happen in Jamaica or anywhere to happen, my people, all me can say, I don't know what this old boy did to this young boy, my people. But the young boy I beat him like a him of the man. And the old man are the picking them people. Zin, but definitely people, there is something behind it because there's no way the young boy got take the machete and put it upon the old boy. So, but one thing me have to say, my people, and I'm grateful to say him not chop him. You understand? A slap. Because even the last one when he give him enough, when the old boy get up on him 2 foot and turn up and like say, yo, where are the boy? Young boy curl up and give him one more cross the back. But my people, and I really have not celebrate the young boy I beat up the old boy because deep inside I don't know what occurred or what trigger off and what lead up to this, my people. But all I can say is I'm grateful say you know put that chop on him, my people. That's all I can say. And the next thing what I have to say, you know, because I don't know, and there's always two sides to a story, and I don't know which other side will cast this, my people, because I never get no information. Big up to the person who sent me the video and said, NEWLINK, this happened, you understand, but I can't tell you exactly what occurred or what caused it, NEWLINK. But all I can say, this young boy, him conquer the old boy, definitely NEWLINK. And all I have to say, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So, big up on yourself, my people. More love, more blessings, and more respect. And thank you all for the love and for the support. Remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, same way, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Stay safe and continue to do the right thing, my people. Peace out, blessings, big up, don't know. Attack.